Village Courtyard Restaurant by AML Design Studio in Beijing, China. Overall design brief. Since the flourishing development of rural cultural tourism, the Courtyard Restaurant has become part of the supporting facilities in villages. We, as designers, feel fortunate to participate in this process. Our purpose of the project is to retain the vitality of the countryside, which is the growth of the village that requires both cultural heritage and technical innovation. Such innovation should truly respond to its site and cultural context, not just the form. The formation of buildings is closely tied to the development of the site, which is witnessed by the time. Whether the building is situated in a lonely or warm land or made of rough or delicate material, it will speak for itself in a neutral tone while dealing with the relationship between itself and the outer world. The generation of our building is inspired by a dialogue between architecture and the Great Wall, a dialogue between one and himself/herself. The design is about discovering and accepting oneself and learning to appreciate the beauty of loneliness or warmth. Spatial design description. The walls are covered with blue and green tiles as a skirting, emphasizing the integrity of the space. The wavy low wall uses waterbrushed stone as the veneer. The light yellow waterbrushed stone is flat and smooth on the ground, forming a contrast between rough and smooth materials. The entire roof is poured with concrete, and the connection between the beams and columns demonstrates the sense of strength between the structures. The long stripe-shaped windows above the low wall allow more light to enter the room, meanwhile providing a wide view for every guest to appreciate the unique architecture and natural landscape of the Xiaoyou Great Wall scenic spot.